Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on Facebook app, and you can click in this page. We'll search about Facebook here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.